Hey there, my name's Mar, and we're here with Bushcraftgear.ca, and who am I talking to?
Garrit Hofman with Hofman Outdoor Gear Supply.
Awesome, and I see that we got a hammock booth here, and I know there's not a lot of hammock vendors, especially in Canada.
Right.
You guys kind of do everything. You do the underquilts, you do hammocks, tarps. What can you tell us about your company?
Basically everything that you need to hammock camp, we make. So we manufacture the tarps, the specific to hammocks, and we make underquilts, either down-filled or synthetic versions, and the camping hammocks that have zippered bug nets.
That's awesome. What kind of materials do you guys use? Do you just get bulk everything? Can you kind of pretty much customize anything in that regard?
Yeah, we carry a stock of some bulk fabrics through Ripstop by the Roll that are made in the U.S., and we also do custom orders. They offer a lot of different custom prints now that we're able to bring in on a piece-by-piece basis. And it's a lot of collaboration with some of the customers that we deal with to make them gear that suits their needs.